Hello everyone, this is Johnson. It's so good to have you here. Please, if you are just viewing this video, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel as I will be dropping important informations. Right, so this is gold. If you check my previous video I posted on YouTube, I analyzed this trade yesterday or day before yesterday. That was when I posted this video, right? And that was where i I forecasted that after gold has broken the structure, right? After gold has broken the structure, it's coming back to where a discounted area to give us something like a buy, right? And why is it happening so? Because as it is, gold is actually at is reacting from an higher time frame POI, that is this big fair value gap, and it has gotten to the 50% of it, which is of high probability, right? So it has filled almost all the fair value gap and also tapped into this breaker block here, right? Now, so we could see after the Powell speech, we saw that the market started, you know, a very crazy buy. So what are we expecting for next week? What are we expecting for next week? What are we expecting from gold next week? Right. Firstly, my expectations for gold are of two options. Right. I'll either go for one or wait for the other one. The first one I'll be going for is when the market gets to this area, when the market gets to this zone, right? Now, I will not be taking a risk entry. Why? Because the market might do something like this and might just come and take this high and just continue pushing to the upside. But if the market does something like this, if the market gives us a very low momentum and start giving us like something like multiple rejection, because this like a zone and it is in the higher time frame, so we could see that it might hold weight. So we'll be looking for something like this, a kind of rejection around this area, and maybe we'll go into the lower time frame to get our entry. You know how we do it. And where are we going to be targeting? We'll be targeting around this area. This will be our target, right? Why? Because this area is there is a kind of volume, right? There might likely be a reaction. Why? Because the we are trying to cover this fair value gap. Yeah, we're trying to cover this fair value gap. And trust me, if this market gets to the 50% of this fair value gap, if you get to the 50% of this fair value gap, we'll likely see a reaction coupled with this breaker block here, coupled with this zone here, might likely see a reaction around this area. So two things might happen. The market might get to this area and give us a sort of entry for sell. So we'll be selling to this area, right? Then we'll continue our buy and we'll be targeting the drawn liquidity around this area, and we'll also sweeping this liquidity around this area. Now, let's take a look at something. Let's take a look at something. We could see the market has taken this internal structure. This formed a sort of inducement, right? Now it has already induced this candle, and it has taken it already. So where are we going to? We'll be heading to this place. Then we'll be looking for what? Our sell, right? So let's go to the lower time frame, yeah, it's still same buyers, still same buyers, right? We'll be looking for we'll be looking forward to the market coming to a discounted area, right, for us to continue our buy trend, right? So that's our buyers, and that's if we we see what we forecast. You can see this a liquidity or an inducement that has been swept by the market, right? So it has been swept already. So we'll be looking for, these are my possible forecast for this trade, something like this, right? Okay, tapping into the zone, right? And the market giving us a break of structure, be entering from the fair value gap, and now this will be giving us something like an inducement for this area to continue our buy. So that's my forecast for gold, right? So on Monday might be a manipulative day for us, but we'll just watch how the market gives us the setup. So we'll just watch as it prints its candles. So the next one I'll be going forward to analyze is Euro USD. Euro USD is also kind of similar to that of gold, right? Now let's take a look at this recent price action here. Taking Okay, yeah, this recent price action, right? What happened around this area? We saw that the market did what? There was a retracement, right? There was a retracement, and we thought that, oh, Euro USD will be selling, because it was actually selling like the past few days. You could see one, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth candle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right, it was selling, right? Not until we had the Powell speech news. Right now, it now did what? It took this liquidity around this area, now tapping into this other block here. Now I'm doing what? Now it also took this liquidity around this area. Where is it going? Where is it heading to? It's heading to where? This draw on liquidity around this area. Is drawn liquidity around this area. So that's where it is heading to. You might likely see a kind of retracement, a further retracement. Maybe when the market opens, like we might likely see something like this, right? Then that will support price to take this. So that's for Euro USD. So we might be expecting more buys from Euro USD. I hope this helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn up the bell button to get more updates. Thank you so much. I remain Johnson.